Hi everyone, welcome to Cadd. This is Chaitanya. Today topic is customized door openings or wall openings. So first we need to open the software, SketchUp software. I already create one plan for opening creations. Take rectangle first. I just open a door size of 3 feet width, 7 feet height. If you want to design some more designs, delete the top line. Take arc, like simple arc of some height. Then take push pull option. Drag it on edge. Then it will be open. Like this we need to create one more design. Take rectangle. I will open like 10 feet width, 7 feet height. Then take reference line. Take arc. Select arc. Then delete main arc by selecting erase option. Take push pull on edge. This type we can open the walls. After that we need to give some frame for this wall openings. Design some carving designs like wood designs and all. In horizontal portion. Then select follow me tool. And apply material. Paint bucket, shortcut V. Select some wood material. If you want me change the color, OK. Then apply. On both sides. Then for next design using arc. Do the design part. Take some arcs. Erase these. Take a follow me tool and drag. Then apply material. Select each space and apply the material. Thank you for watching this video.